Hi guys, my name is Alyssa Cisneros and today I will be teaching you the difference between hydrophilic and hydrophobic and what examples are hydrophilic and hydrophobic and how each substance will react to water. So first we're going to talk about what hydrophilic means. Hydrophilic is having a strong affinity with water, meaning it has a strong attraction to water. So the substance that is hydrophilic can be dissolved in, absorbed in, mixed in, and even literally saturated with water without any ease. And then what does hydrophobic mean? So hydrophobic is the complete opposite of hydrophilic. Hydrophobic is what it means really. It's a fear of water. So the substance cannot be dissolved in water with ease. So then a substance that is hydrophilic is a common item we use every day in cooking, which is salt. Salt is a polar chemical, and then water is also a polar chemical, meaning these two chemicals can be dissolved in water with no problem. So then another common item that we use for cooking is oil. I specifically use vegetable oil when it comes to cooking. So I have recently learned, right? We both have recently learned that water is a polar chemical. So then vegetable oil is the opposite of that polar chemical, which is a non-polar chemical. Meaning if you mix vegetable oil and then water together, it will not mix. In fact, the oil will sit on top of the water instead of actually dissolving in it. And then these are my citations.